My this year's goal is rebuild the cooling system. I think it's time to pay attention on this moment. And this pipe is rusted also here and here. I'll do this. I think I've tried to find pipes in that size and make that T-joint, or I don't know how it calls. Yeah, this goes from radiator to pump, from pump to radiator, and this one is to heater. So it's question of time when it starts to leak or explode or collapse. So okay, another thing to do with this pump rebuild. And about that pipe, so this pipe connects radiator with water pump, and this exit is for the heater. So as we see, it's rusted. Before I dismounted it, I think that this is homemade, self-made, but no, it's actually a original part. We see that these steps, yeah, and as I think that the gas 5251 engines is similar, I think that this pipe is also similar. But no, on my truck is this one, like T, and on gas 51 it's that curved pipe with exit on the side. This is like on was 451 or something like this. At the first I think I just bought the new part, but when I see the prices for that part, some sellers asked 48 euros and plus the shipping charges, shipping costs. Well, for that thin metal part, I think it's insane. So I decided to make it myself. Actually, there's nothing special. Welded two pipes, but that moment, which is this pipe is this bigger size is 45 millimeters, and this one is 20. Actually 90, but okay, if we that rotten step, imagine here, then it's definitely it's 12 or 20 millimeters. But in my local shop, which sell the pipes, the closest sizes of this bigger one pipe is 42.8 and 48, and this one is 21. So I see these hoses. Actually, I maybe can squeeze the 48 on it, but as we see there, I'll start cracking, and I worried that if I squeeze it on the bigger size pipe, they cracking immediately and started to leak, and all my coolant goes on the ground. I believe if I use exact 45 millimeters, I can actually use it without this step, and then nothing goes leak. Yeah, of course we can try to find these pipes, these hoses, but they looks pretty good, so I can still use it, I think. Yes, the only moment is that and 42.8, well, also of the oldness of these pipes, I don't think I can squeeze it enough to avoid the leaks. So if I use 45 and 20 millimeters, I believe that this avoids me to coolant leaks. Yeah, but so then because of I can't get the right sizes of the pipes in the shop, I think that I try to do myself. Yeah, I got a few scrap pipes here. I try to find something in that range. This is actually too little bit too small, but why we are here? We are here for struggling. So let's try to make something by ourselves and then see. Maybe it's a waste of time, or maybe we win. Obviously, may say I decided to rebuild this pipe from my scrap. I got a few tubes in the scrap. And this one is too big and the other ones is too small. The closest size is this one. It's from the shock absorber and it's 42 millimeters. I need here 45. So in a shop the pipes is also in this size 42 and the next one is 48, like something. Yes, 48 is too much. I think I can't squeeze these old rubber pipes on this 48 size, so I take this 42 millimeters size, and my idea is that I cut off some rings and weld it on this. So if I have now 42 millimeters, then when I weld some ring on it, I maybe get some. What is the thickness of this pipe? Well, it's about 2 millimeters. So 42 plus 2 millimeters in the both sides, and I think it's a very good size. Yeah, this one pipe too it has a step from the factory. So you put on the rubber hose and here you put on the clamp. So I think that's with these rings from this pipe on it, I make this step too, and so I hope it's gonna work. Okay, let's now mark the length of this pipe and cut. My camera ruins a few records, so I don't know how much I recorded. Yeah, I welded rings on the both sides. I put some points here and do the all around here. I try to grind it, but then I kill my grinder. Something is bent, so yeah, maybe I do it with that one thing, angle grinder. But the good thing is that this fits, so I think my pipe will work. Yeah, about 2 millimeters. So after this ring we now have exactly 45. That's exactly what is on this pipe. So yeah, I try to grind these welding seams around it, and then try to figure out what to do with this one exit. Okay, on this side, so both of these sides looks acceptable. Okay. Let's now figure out how to do this point. So this pipe has a some weird size. It's 90 millimeters, and in the shop it's available 16 and 20, and nothing about the 90. But I think I use something like 20 millimeters, and then we'll see what we can use from the scrap pile. Oh look, I find 90. It's from the mover. Yeah, exact 90 millimeters. Should I use it? Well, maybe. Why not? I don't know, can I weld it? Because it's 1.5 millimeters only. And my lack of welding skills, maybe I burn out this pipe before I weld it on. So maybe I need some bigger pipe usable. For example, this one, it's 21. Yeah, 21, maybe it's too big. Can actually properly weld it, but come on, it's like a barrel of a battleship. Yeah, maybe I try to use this one. Exactly cut in this point and try to see. I think the length is enough for this pipe because it's originally it's more longer than this. It's simply rusted out, off, and broken, so it's the last centimeters left. So let's cut it off and see what we can do. Yeah, the glasses, where are they? I should buy 100 glasses and spread everywhere in this garage because I always lose it every time. Okay, they are. Yeah. And I think I need now one more angle grinder because I'm really tired to change every time this grinding discs. Okay. Oh. Okay, nice. We got now pipe. Something looks exactly like this. Oh, a bit shorter maybe. It doesn't matter. So now we must drill a hole exactly in the middle and see what happens. Okay. Yeah, the best option for this job is using impact drill, but I don't have it. Only this one old Bosch. So maybe it's a dead battery. Let's try another one. Oh no, actually this one is dead. Okay, let's use this one. Well, actually I'm reach it. The pipe. So, I still don't have the size what I need. And this one. Oh, maybe I can use this one a bit or drill. But this one has no marks about the sizes, so just check every time. Oh, come on! don't work. Ah, nice. Do I burn out everything today? The first is the grinder. Now it's still working. Thank you. I still don't have the right size. Oh, maybe. Okay. Let's use this machine. It's old. It's somehow bent. But it's strong as hell. It can break your fingers if you don't hold it correctly. Oh, here it is. Okay, almost through. And still don't have the right size for this. Oh, so close. Yeah, it's loud too. Huh. Almost. Let's ask it with the hammer. Do you want to go in? Yes. Well, it looks like some kind of success. Look at this. And look at this. Wait. Yeah, almost a factory. Almost. Maybe it's too much. Maybe I don't need any welds here. Actually, this one is soldered from the factory. The old one. Maybe I can solder this one too. But I don't have any things for soldering, so I think let's weld it around and it will be fine. And the only problem will be my welding skills. Okay, so this is a very thin pipe. It's 1.5 millimeters, so I set my welding machine. Oh, there's currently 1.5. Nice. Let's try. Like this. Oh, crap. My mask didn't work. Oh yeah, no batteries. Thank you. God damn it. Okay. Well, how do you think? It will leak or not? Yeah, it's like a bunch of dirt. But it seems solid. No cracks and no holes. And as I use water as a coolant, I think it's not a problem at all. If there's somewhere something started leaking, I just take it off and weld it one more time somewhere. I didn't lose that expensive coolant. Okay, I think that's it. So I can say this is the finished product. This pipe looks actually pretty good. The welding seems rough, but there is any holes here, so I think it holds. And this side is too a little bit grinded. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I think that rubber hose forgive me this inaccurate things. And the most important thing is that I actually hold it. These are that rubber hoses which are on this pipe. So you can, yeah, it's a free play a bit. Yeah, and this is not with a free play, but we measure almost 45, 44. And this one is 46.5. And this one is 46. Oh, but it's not around. Okay, anyway, I think these clamps will hold it. Put this pipe together. At last it didn't broke here somewhere. So I think it's gonna be hold. Yeah, it's very loose. Oh crap. Do I need one more welding around this or not? That's a question. I think about it. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Paint it a little bit. I hope it works. So that's it. I think we are done today.